In a previous video, we showed you how to identify opportunities for improvement. In this video, we will look at one specific opportunity and discuss how to plan your next practice session. This video is about improving your driving style. Use identical car setup and weather settings so that the only variable in your telemetry is your driving style. For this example, let's compare average fast versus average lap from the last session. Let's look at sector 3. You see that the average lap can be improved by 0.409 seconds if the fast laps in this sector can be consistently repeated. VRS automatically highlights a difference in throttle application. Time is gained in fast laps due to accelerating more steadily. With this newfound awareness, start a new practice session and do a few laps without trying to change anything about your driving. Just observe your throttle application in sector 3. If you haven't already, pick a reference point on the side of the track and notice where you start accelerating relative to this reference point. After a few laps, apply the knowledge you acquired in VRS and accelerate consistently as steady as possible. Continue to observe where and when you are pressing the accelerator. Keep practicing until you observe that you can indeed accelerate identically for a few laps in a row. After you end the practice session, return to VRS to analyze your performance and see whether you have improved. Compare the average lap from the most recent session and the average lap from the session before. This will show you what changed between the two sessions. Select sector 3. In this example, we see that there is indeed an improvement of 0.434 seconds. The throttle pattern of the average lap has changed as intended. Finally, let's compare average fast versus average lap from the most recent session to see what are the remaining opportunities for improving consistency. Maybe there is more to gain in the same sector, or maybe you now have bigger opportunities in other sectors. If the average fast and average laps are getting pretty close now, try looking at perfect lap versus average lap.